Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install DBeaver latest version on AlmaLinux 10. But the process is same on all AlmaLinux versions. Then we will connect PostgreSQL and MySQL. Okay, first open any web browser. Then go to DBeaver official website, that is dbeaver.io. See here, DBeaver is a free open source database management tool for personal projects. Manage and explore databases like MySQL, MariaDB, PostgreSQL, SQLite, Apache Family and more. See here we have the two versions, Community and Pro. Community is open source and Pro is the commercial version. Okay, and see here we have the option to download. Click on download. Then see here the latest release at the time of making this video is 25. Then for Linux, come to this Linux section. For AlmaLinux we have to download this Linux RPM package. It is installer, click on it to download, no need to register. See, download started and its size is about 129 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this RPM package. Now open terminal, then go to download, cd downloads, ls. See here we have the RPM package. You have to install it. Sudo rpm-ivh, then give DBeaver, then tap to autofill entire RPM package name, hit enter. Provide the password of sudo user, hit enter. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to all applications, show applications. See here we have the DBeaver CE. CE means community edition. Click on it to open. Statistics collections, close this one. Do you want to create sample databases? No. Let me maximize it. Now click on this plus button, that is for new database connection, or go to database and select new database connection. Both are same. Then first we will connect MySQL, then click on next. MySQL is installed on this one, so localhost is fine. Port number for MySQL is 3306. This is the default one. Then provide database name. I have the database bank. Then provide username, then provide the password of this user. Then click on test connection. Download driver file, select download. See, this is the expected error, public key retrieval is not allowed. So click on OK. Then go to driver properties. See here, public key retrieval, by default it is false, so select true. Then click on finish. Expand the connection, expand databases. See here we have the database bank. If you want to queries against any database, right click, select SQL editor, then open SQL console. So you got the SQL console. Now we can run the queries. We go to users. See here we have these users. If you want to create database, right click on databases, then create new database. Suppose if you want to run query against this bank database, which is having table customer. Select the query and click on this execute button. See, we got the output. Okay, this is the way to execute. PostgreSQL, click on this again new connection, then select PostgreSQL, then click on next. I have already installed PostgreSQL on this one. Localhost is fine. If it is not installed on this one or remote IP, then you can provide that host name here. Port number 5432. Select show all databases. I have the user Postgres. For the password of this user. Then click on test connection. This is the way to connect. Select download for the drivers. See, successfully made connection. See, connected. Click on OK. Click on finish. Expand this one. Expand databases. See, I have these databases. Okay, if you want to create database, same way, right click, create database. If you want to run queries, right click, then SQL editor, then open SQL console. Now you can run the queries. Okay. Let's remove it, it is not required. So in this video we have seen how to download and install DBeaver latest version, that is 25 on AlmaLinux 10. Then we have connected both MySQL and PostgreSQL from the DBeaver. Okay, for more DB tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.